Stop. Hello everyone, my name is the Smart Chef. You're welcome once again to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about 4 different ways you can come to Germany, from abroad. Whether Africa, any other part of the world, you want to relocate to Germany, for work purpose, for whatever purpose, school or whatever. These are 4 different ways you can come to Germany, and they are not quite difficult if you really know how to focus on it and, get it going. Number 1, you have the, family reunification. Family reunification be that you have somebody in Germany who is either your spouse, maybe you were married to the person, relocated and all of that. It can file for you to come and join him or her, and, presenting all the legal documents to prove that you are married and all of that. And it also work for when you have a child abroad. For instance, you left your country and you have a child there. You have lived in Germany for some time and you are a legal resident in Germany. You can easily apply for your child to come and join you. So it also works for parents. You can also apply for your parents to come and join you. All this set of people, your spouse, which is your wife or your husband, your child, or your parents, your father, your mother, you can actually apply for them to live with you here in Germany permanently, but you have to give proof that you are actually, related to these people. So, and you have to also prove that you can financially take care of them. So that is number 1. So number 2 way you can easily come to Germany is through, the university channel, the study channel, we call it Studienkolleg or Universität in Germany, which is the university or student college in Germany. So this one is quite easy. Number 1, you have to, find a university in Germany. You can get all this information online. You have to find a university that's willing to give you admission. You apply to them, you get admission with all your school certificates in Germany. In most cases, you have to translate them to German, for easy access and understanding. Then you follow up. The school gives you an admission eventually. So with the admission, you have to apply. German language might be needed. German language certificate might be needed. Depends on the course you are going to study in Germany. A lot of courses these days in Germany, in German universities are done in English. So depending on the this course you want to study in Germany or the degree you want to go for, you might not need the language certificate. So you have to do research on what you are going for and see the requirement and all of that. So if it's true that you need a language certificate, maybe you need B1 or something above that,